Hello, and thank you for watching Engage Black's demo video on unboxing and initialization of our BlackVault hardware security module. We have more demo videos that cover a variety of topics on our website as well. Here we have the BlackVault in the box. We are going to open the box and look inside. The first thing we see is the BlackVault Setup CD. It will have the user manual as well as any client software you will need to install. Next, we have the BlackVault HSM itself. So I'm going to open it here in our anti-static wrapping, and here it is. On the front of the HSM, we have an Ethernet port, a smart card port, and USB port, and on the back of the HSM, we have power port, a port that is used for manufacturing purposes only. And this is a tamper LED. It comes on when the BlackVault has been tampered. Then on this side, the LEDs are the tamper LED, which again comes on when the BlackVault has been tampered with. We have the smart card LED. It will come on when a smart card is inserted. The heartbeat LED will blink on and off while the BlackVault is on and running. And then we have the speed LED. It lets you know that an Ethernet cord is plugged in and that is communicating through it. And that's it. Here's the backside with our Engage logo and our serial number. Underneath the top insert, we have our power supply and the power cord, depending on what region you reside in, a stylus as well for ease of use, and last but not least, our smart card pack. Alright, now that we have the BlackVault unboxed, we can go ahead and start the setup. The first thing we need to do is power it on. You take the power cord and we plug it in and screw it in as well so it doesn't come undone. Now wait a minute or so for it to boot up, and we will get continued with the initialization shortly. Once this screen appears, the BlackVault has finished powering up and is ready to continue the initialization sequence. This next screen shows that for the crypto officer and user operator smart card sets, you will need one smart card for each crypto officer and user operator. So if you're doing the recommended 2 of 4, you will need a total of 8 smart card provisioned for this, so have those on hand and ready to go. And press OK. This next screen asks if you would like to be in FIPS mode. FIPS mode limits the cryptographic algorithms to only allow FIPS-approved algorithms. If you would like to use this, press yes. If you don't, press no. For the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and press yes. This next screen asks if you would like to import the smart card database. Importing the smart card database is important for cloning. If you would like to know more about cloning, please either consult an Engage Black sales representative or consult our user guide. For the sake of this video, we are going to press no. Now we're getting to the point where we can create the crypto officer smart card set, so we're going to press OK to continue. Now it is asking for the M of N. This first number on top is the total number, so this will be your N. You can press up and it can go up to an amount of 20. And down below is the M, the total number of cards required to log in. For this video, we're going to do 1 of 1. This next screen asks for you to create the PIN. As you can see, it is alphanumeric, and if you press the symbols button, we have numbers and special symbols. For demo purposes, we are going to enter our PIN as password. Clearly this is insecure and only for demo purposes. The only strict requirement for PINs on the BlackVault HSM is a minimum of 4 characters. We recommend a minimum password of 8 characters, both alpha and numeric. When you press this red eye symbol to the left of your PIN, it will reveal your PIN so you can double check that you've entered it correctly. This red symbol will show up anytime you're entering the PIN in. Press enter. Now we must verify the PIN a second time. Just to make sure we've entered it correctly, we want to click the red eye symbol. As you can see, it is not entered correctly, so click the back button double check your PIN, and hit enter, and continue on with the initialization process. Now we are being asked to insert the smart card. Insert the smart card on the slot on the left-hand side. Be sure to check that the serial number on the screen is the same as the serial number on the smart card. This is important because each serial number is unique to the smart card. You can associate a specific serial number to the owner of that specific smart card. That way, in the logs, you can refer to which smart card has been used when and by whom. Also, if the smart card is ever damaged, stolen, or lost, you can replace it by knowing which serial number it is. For more information about this, contact a sales representative or review the manual. As you can see, our serial numbers are identical, so we will press yes to continue. And we'll go through the process of creating it. After all of the Crypto Officer cards are created, you will see this screen. If you are creating multiple Crypto Officer smart cards, you will need to repeat the process of creating the PIN, verifying the PIN, and verifying that serial number as many times as there are cards created. Once all those cards are created, you will see this screen and you will need to log in as the Crypto Officer in order to create the user operator. Press OK to proceed. Now we are going to enter the PIN. And press the red button to verify that you have entered the PIN correctly, and press enter. Now that the Crypto Officer has been logged in, I'm instructed to remove the Crypto Officer smart cards. Once that has been completed, press OK to continue. Now we are going to have to repeat the process that we did for the Crypto Officer, but for the user. Again, choose the M of N, total number of cards is the N on top, and the number of cards required to log in is the M, which is below. For this sake, we're only going to do 1 of 1 and press done. Now it is going to ask us to enter in the PIN for the card. And again, we are going to use the same PIN as we used for the Crypto Officer for the sake of this video, which is password. Press enter. Now we will be asked to verify that PIN, enter the PIN a second time, and press enter. Now we are being instructed to insert the smart card, and we will insert it to the slot on the left-hand side. And again, we are going to need to verify that the serial number on the screen matches the serial number on the smart card. You can see that they are both the same, so we can press yes because it is. As a note, if the serial numbers do not match, you can manually strike out the serial number on the smart card and write down the new serial number. This screen shows the BlackVault is going through the process of creating the right key and certificates to be used during TLS sessions. TLS is very important to securing any and all connections to the BlackVault. Once all the pieces of initialization are complete, this screen will be displayed. Initialization is not completed until you press OK. It is very important that you press OK in order to fully complete initialization. If you get to this step and power off the BlackVault without pressing OK, the initialization will not be saved and you will have to repeat the process from the very beginning, so be sure to press OK. Now once you get to the main menu screen, the login screen, it has been successfully initialized, and you can go ahead and power it down or continue on and log in. That completes our demo video of unboxing and initialization of Engage Black's BlackVault hardware security module. For further information, check out our other videos on our website. If you still have any further questions, contact our customer support and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.